2002 BMW 325i. What we got done on this beautiful thing. Factory converters all the way by the motor. Then it comes with a resonator there, we cut off. Then it comes with another resonator there, we cut off. Then it comes with this huge muffler over here, we cut it off too. So what do you guys think? It's all straight pipe. There's the massacre we just did. We cut all these off. So just basically we did liposuction on this car. Anyways, so it just lost about 50 pounds worth of weight. And it'll sound a lot better and a lot louder. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I want to go. I see them on the road. They're very sexy. Yeah, smoking a little bit, but it's okay. Yeah. It's so loud. I love it. Again. 115 on the sound decibels. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah, 325i BMW. Let you guys hear on the inside.